Hey guys, in this video we got another install I wanted to go over. Now we got a train condensing unit. It's another commercial application to air handlers downstairs. Let's just take a quick look at this. First glance it actually looks like a nice clean install. Got the refrigeration pipes, look pretty good. They did a nice job on that. Even the electric looks okay, right? Wrong. They put the disconnect on the serviceable panel. So all our controls, our contactors, capacitors, everything that we need to access if we got to work on this thing is behind that panel. So only way we can work on it, we can never work on it live really, because we got to shut the disconnect off, take the screws out, remove that panel. So here they're seal tight. It's pretty rigid, and it is flexible, but it's rigid enough that you can't really move it too far. And then you're gonna have your wires coming out of the disconnect to the contactor, so they're probably not very long. They're maybe just curled up in there. Electricians is at it again. As the HVAC service technician, we think about this stuff when we're putting new equipment in. How are we going to service this? Where do we put this for the best possible situation for when the service tech's out here to fix this? Unfortunately, a lot of electricians don't even probably think about it, and we're the ones who end up getting screwed when we got to work on it later on. I'm surprised this even passed any type of job site inspection. You think that they would go over this? Maybe request that they put it over here in this corner. Build something off of they could have went off some unistrut off the side here, up